Good evening and welcome once again to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. BJP leader Nayab Singh sworn in as Haryana CM for second term at Panchkula. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar visits Shillong Technology Park. Meghalaya Governor hosts cultural program at Raj Bhavan in honor of Vice President. UDP optimistic of better performance in upcoming district council polls. Talks between Meghalaya government and AMSSTA remains inconclusive. Protests to continue. The news in detail. BJP leader Nayab Singh today took oath as the Chief Minister of Haryana for the second time in a grand oath-taking ceremony held at the Shalimar ground in Panchkula. Haryana Governor Bangaru Dattatreya administered the oath of office and secrecy in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 13 MLAs took oath as cabinet ministers and ministers of state along with him.
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं हरियाणा राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा तथा भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना मैं सब प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान के और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा।
Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar yesterday visited the Shillong Technology Park as a part of his two-day visit to Shillong. Earlier, he visited some of the IT companies which are operating from the park. The Vice President of India was given a detailed presentation by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the intent of the Meghalaya government to make Meghalaya develop by 2032. Speaking on the occasion, the Vice President lauded the presentation and vision of the state government as far as developing the state. He pointed out that Meghalaya has many opportunities, but they can be grabbed through systematic policies.
And the focus is on fundamentals. And those fundamentals are education, health, technology, workspace, skill development, giving people happiness, happiness in music, happiness in sports. Just imagine for Meghalaya to think and be in execution mode for the largest football stadium. Honorable Chief Minister, congratulations. Because this part of our country, the love for football is enormous.
Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar extended a warm welcome to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar at Raj Bhavan in Shillong yesterday, showcasing the vibrant and diverse culture of Meghalaya during the visit. The event featured an array of traditional performances, including folk dances and music that highlighted the state's rich heritage and unique traditions and skill which are integral to Meghalaya's identity. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, his cabinet colleagues, officials and bureaucrats attended the cultural programs organized in honor of the Vice President. United Democratic Party President Metbat Lyngdoh is optimistic about securing a significant number of seats in the upcoming district council elections in Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. He noted that many supporters who had previously left the party have now returned. Although he has not had time to analyze the reason behind this shift, Lyngdoh acknowledged that leaders and supporters who once backed other political parties have decided to rejoin UDP for the upcoming MDC elections.
Again started the organization of the party, okay, on many constituencies, on many districts, and in the state as a whole, especially Khasi Jaintia Hills, with regards to the Khasi Hills District Councils and the Jaintia Hills District Council. We found that a lot of supporters who belongs to UDP, many in fact, many who have left, have come back. Well, I have not been able to spend more time with them, but I would like to know the reason why. But I could understand that those leaders, supporters, well-wishers of the party who have been there with the party for long, who have supported other political parties in the last MP election, have already made up their mind on their own, to come back to the party and be with the party for this MDC election.
The talks between the state government and the All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association yesterday remained inconclusive, with the latter deciding to continue their protests until something concrete came from the side of the government regarding their demand. Meanwhile, Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that he met both the group and had a meaningful discussion. Vice President of AMSSA-STA, Defender S. Lamare, said the process may take longer because the matter has been handed over to the Education Commission and are awaiting a report from them to make a decision.
So we don't have any issues on that, but we expect that the government will speed up the process so that our teachers do not suffer. We are suffering for the last 16 days. So we do not suffer more because we need to go to our respective schools. Students need to be taught and to address our academic session also. And moreover, the exam is very, very near. So we are aware of that, but we are compelled to move to the street for our demand.
15 villages in Block 2 of Mauhati constituency, including 8 specifically identified, will soon benefit from new development projects focused on school construction, funded by the Chief Minister's Development Fund. Each school project has an allocated budget of Rs 64 lakhs. The villages set to receive this assistance: Umsder, Pedeng Klet, Ummat 1, Ummat 2, Umlaper, Umhi, Sabuda, and Kle Umwang currently lack dedicated school buildings. Additionally, financial assistance of 50,000 rupees will be provided annually by MLA MDC Charles Marngar to support teacher salaries in these 8 villages.
Kalau kongsan kamangi keren kalomba ki breu jongi ki bersong hongi kin shong so shongsan kata kene kijing keren kijing pun baik buat mesam kadang ya dene kadang ya ngimtem kani ka kam uche minister na Meghalaya uche minister na Assam kin say kundu kadang ke regional committee na Assam, we have regional committee from Assam, we have regional committee from Meghalaya. Let them decide.
The District Level Youth Exchange Program 2024, organized by the District Sports Office, West Garo Hills, Tura, was held today at the District Auditorium, Tura, with the theme Today's Youth, Tomorrow's Leader. The event aimed to inspire young people to become future leaders. In his address, Saljagring M. Marak, the District Sports Officer, emphasizes the importance of youth leadership. Several competitions were held, including a science mela, quiz contest, folk songs, and poetry.
Actually, after organizing this district level youth exchange program is to bring the youth to know the cultural activities and to showcase their talents and all. In this way, they will go. By this, they will go to the other districts and they can share the culture to the other districts. And mostly, and not only that, the youths who will be visiting the district, they will have a chance to participate in state level, and from state level they go to national, and from national they go to international level.
North Adventist University Kletershi emerged as the winners in both boys and girls categories at the Open Volleyball Tournament organized by District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills in collaboration with West Jaintia District Sports Association. The matches were played at Madan Biar Mission Compound, Jawai. In the boys category, North Adventist University Cletershi defeated Knorrs Aim 3-1. While in the girls category, North Adventist University Cletershi secured victory over Chiliang Raj SC with a score 2-0. The Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram, in collaboration with Apollo Hospital, Chennai, recently organized a comprehensive health screening camp on congenital heart disease at the District Early Intervention Center in Lom Kleriat, Panaliar, Jawai. A dedicated team from the Apollo Children's Hospital conducted thorough screening to identify and support children affected by this condition. Here's a closer look at the impact of this initiative.
In a major health initiative, a total of 338 screenings for congenital heart disease were conducted, revealing 121 positive cases. These patients will receive essential surgical procedures along with transportation, food and lodging at no cost during their treatment, as informed by Dr. Handaka Suting, DEIC manager.
Good sen one the team na Chennai, the nekar MOU watai up wigi hospital here. To sen the identified ki kini ku kujut snam, klong snam, the have refer ki to hospital yang ki. The house do April do August, the dep ye aging suma le lepau prangot ki kena. Kata ki successful surgery were the dep ki ha Chennai.
From April to August 2024, 38 CHD cases from East and West Giant Hills successfully underwent surgery in Chennai, facilitated by a dedicated team from Apollo Children's Hospital. This team included renowned pediatric cardiologist Dr. Rajaguru Ganesan and Dr. Arun V alongside Senior Manager D. Raj Kumar. Following the screenings, patients along with the parents and guardians were provided with counseling conducted by the DEIC staff. Dr. Sitting expressed satisfaction with the robust participation from both districts, attributing the success to the RBSK Mobile Health Team, which conducted screenings across various locations, including Anganwadi centers and government schools.
Ni tak resmi screening camp yang ini nabentagi kena kujur heart, kamu kodigar yang congenital heart disease screening. Waduan naga Apollo team Chennai, kiwan screening kena yang ini kiwa kujur strong heart na East and West Giant Hills. Snyau suwa ongwan negasni wa lalis pa at pangyang mut ki bru the one register yo one check yo iki konyong ki way hado chuje kate.
Feedback from beneficiaries highlighted the positive impact of these screening camps in raising awareness and providing critical healthcare services. Notably, surgeries will be offered free of charge to selected patients as needed.
Và ý là đặt được video của ti EU coi trên từ trên này dulu yang semua yang berpakar untuk tadi di kod raya di kod dikian.
Dalam dia lamuni, dekat nangu telik cakap ni krim. وبنصار خامسة ما نقول شغال وبنصار لا يحكي لي لا دكتور سوتين تكورن بتي بقى دكتور سوتين كمان جايكا دكتور لا دكتور من لا تي أنيا دكتور سوتين أو كم تي أم كان دكتور من نقول يوم دكتور خنا نو يوم سام كم تي ما نبغى بسوما كم سوما بدل هاي دي دكتور بلي آية كم تاني دكتور سوتين مدا تيمي bahasa nanti porden nanti baka Lalu seharusnya minum tutin miraga tentang hekti orang syuting dan dia ani dhato nak yang kona. Teman dah ini mandatu ada datu kong dah firsa, datu kona le dah hehi datu kuble fika minum kerah ni BSRC, kuble si bundu itu hingale.
The initiative kicked off with a gathering at the center featuring remarks from Dr. P. Shalla, Additional DMHO, Nodal Officer RBSK, Dr. Rajaguru Ganesan, and Dr. Handaka Suting, emphasizing the importance of collaboration in improving child health outcomes. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded 11.5 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature recorded 22.9 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 66%. Relative humidity in the evening was 77%. The forecast: light rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at headlines once again. BJP leader Nayab Singh sworn in as Haryana CM for second term at Panchkulawa. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar visits Shillong Technology Park. Meghalaya Governor hosts cultural program at Raj Bhavan in honor of Vice President. UDP optimistic of better performance in upcoming district council polls. And talks between Meghalaya government and AMSSTA remains inconclusive. Protests continue. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.